it's Laura from Laura Felicity and welcome to my video which is all things DIY. In particular, I'm showing you how to upholster your current headboard. Last year I took on the challenge to actually upholster my own headboard. Reason being is because when I was looking for a potential new one, I actually decided that there was nothing wrong with my current one. The only thing I didn't like was the patterned fabric over the top, so I took it upon myself to think, actually, why not upholster it myself and create something brand new out of a current piece of furniture. I did a little bit of research in terms of how to upholster, and this process I'm about to show you, I think, is a really simple step-by-step guide that anyone can do, and trust me, if I can do it, I know that you definitely can. All you need is 4 things for this DIY project, and they are a staple gun, your very own interior fabric, your new one that you want to have on your headboard, your current headboard, and if you can get some adhesive spray mount, that is the key to making things a little bit more simple as well. So if you've got everything and you've gathered everything, let's get started and let me show you how it's done. There you go. That's how you create your very own DIY headboard. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I really hope it's inspired you to have a go. Honestly, like I said before, it's a fairly simple and easy process. It's just remaining calm and having the confidence just to go for it. I know you can do it. I'd love to know how you get on. Please do leave comments below. And also, are there any little tips and tricks that you actually found better or more useful that maybe I hadn't picked up on? Do let me know below, because I just think it's great for everyone to learn and to share so we can create our very own crafty interiors. If you've enjoyed this video, please come on over to my YouTube channel where I'm showing more DIY videos like this, as well as other interior based films as well. Then if you're on Instagram, come on over and find me at Laura Felicity, where I show my many interior projects that I get up to, as well as behind the scenes that I have with clients, and also here in my very own home. I love sharing all things interiors with you, so please do come and follow. In the meantime, I really hope you've enjoyed watching. Please stay tuned for my next video, and I hope to see you very soon. Take care, bye.